Howdy folks, thank you for tuning in. As always, if it's the first time watching our channel or you're a regular viewer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. The more subscribers I get, the more it encourages me to keep coming up with fresh content. And so here we're looking at, we're looking at the Celestron Regal M2 zoom eyepiece. I've mentioned it before in a couple of videos, but I thought I'd just go into a little bit more detail, and also to mention that, including this one, I've got a couple of demo models that, as you can see, they certainly don't look in use condition, to clear, and I'll put them, I'll do a link in the description below, and I've got a couple at a price that you might find attractive compared to the stock zoom eyepiece that you can get for, I think, around about £89–99. It'll be a lot less than that. And if you click on the link and it says page not found or zero stock available, it means, I'm afraid, somebody else got there before you. So this is the Regal M2 as used with the Celestron Regal spotting scopes in 65, 80 and 100mm. Very, very nicely put together compared to the stock zoom eyepiece. I think optics, it's not a massive step up, but it certainly is in build quality. This will probably last you a lot longer. And it doesn't come with a filter thread. It's 1.25 inch barrel size there, and a twist eye cup, which I'll come on to in a second. And it shows on the barrel there different magnifications to correspond with each Celestron Regal scope that you use, but it is essentially a 8–24mm zoom eyepiece, and because it's a zoom, your apparent field of view will be a bit narrower than many fixed wide angle eyepieces. This one's apparent field of view is, correct me if I'm wrong with this, apparent field of view is 40 degrees at 24mm up to 60 degrees at 8mm. Again, if I've got that wrong way around, let me know. So it's fully multi-coated and Celestron's own XLT coatings, so you do get a very nice image through this if you can put up with the slightly narrower field of view. Twist eye cup, as I mentioned, 15–18mm, but with these you can do a little bit of eyepiece projection or connecting a DSLR body or mirrorless body to the spotting scope. So instead of twisting it down as normal, twist it the other way and it comes off eventually, and then you can get your T-ring and you can put your DSLR on. Oh no, you can't, but fear not, there's this little separate adapter ring which is like a stepper ring. Put it on, don't over tight it. I can't say that enough, highlight that enough to people, you know, the amount of people that tighten these on. One chappie, bless him, he had one adapter, he's put one of these T-rings on, and well, how he's going to get it off I don't know. It's yeah, going to need the right tools. But anyway, so now we've got that stepper ring on, get the T-ring, and hopefully, he says, there you go. Now you can put your DSLR body on. I believe you might get a little bit of vignetting or fall off in the corners, so you might need to zoom in a little bit just to get rid of that, but that's how easy it is to put a T-ring on, and the spacer. You see, I didn't over tighten it, so I can get it off again, and then the reverse. There, done, good to go again. So the accessories you get with this, or the packaging, nice case there. Like I said, this is described as a bit of a demo model, so you see it might have a few scuff marks on it, but at the price you're paying for this, which you'll see in the link below, I don't think you'll be too fussed about that. Comes with lens caps, a soft pouch there to keep it safe in, but the box itself also comes with some internal padding and a nice cleaning cloth. If the other eyepiece that I've got doesn't have one of these in, I will find one. So that's a quick look at the Celestron Regal M2 eyepiece, and because it's a zoom, you don't have to just use this for astronomy. You can put it on a wide field short tube refractor and use it for terrestrial use, whether it's looking at ships at sea, across landscape, some lovely vistas out there, or you like a bit of bird watching just as at home for that as well. So that's a quick rundown. Again, I think it's the third time I've mentioned it in videos, the Celestron Regal M2 zoom eyepiece. Thank you very much for watching, and please check out the link in the description below.